Hey everyone, this is Arun, and today in this video, I'm discussing about the fleet management tracking system that I have been created both in Excel and Google Sheets. So this one is the Excel version that I'm showcasing you. Here, in this version, we have a fleet management which tracks fuel in terms of fuel spend, shipment revenue, then the payments received, labor cost, and maintenance cost. So all the fuel and every shipment, whether we have received the payments and other costs, we are recording here and we are providing them in one dashboard. So this one is the fuel spend. Then the other one is showing the outstanding AR, then the active vehicles, shipment log, and overdue maintenance, and then net cash in or out. So basically, these cards providing us the tracking of fuel and the other costs which are being there while doing the transactions. Now here, the other table is providing us the operating summary by vehicle. So before going into the details, I would like you to showcase the sheets that I have created. So this one is the vehicle sheet. We are tracking the vehicle ID. So it's just I'm just writing here. We can just make another vehicle number or something like that. It's just an idea and dummy data that I've just created here. Then the description, the make model of that vehicle, then the registration plate, then the unit. So I've used both units. First one is the liter in kilometers and then the gallons in miles. And we have a fuel type, and this one is both units and the fuel types are in drop down. So we have liters and gallons, so we can select here. Similarly, for fuel type, we have options available as diesel, petrol, LPG, and electric, and then AdBlue. We can increase or decrease these fuel type according to our customizations. Then we have a tank capacity, then active, whether that vehicle is active or yes or no. So we have two options available here. We can select accordingly. So these are the columns for drop downs J, K, and L. Once we fill on this one, all the values will reflect here in the drop downs. So this one is the vehicle sheet. Then we have a customers sheet dealing with all the customers. So we just need to maintain the customer data here. I've used customer ID, then customer name, contact, email, credit terms, and active or not. So basically here we are entering the customer data, and once we enter data here, this one, the customer data and the vehicles data gets refreshed automatically over in the dashboard area. So these figures are having the formulas and they are automatically gets updated. Once we fill on the data in the vehicles customer, then another sheet we have a fuel log. So in fuel log we have the date, then the vehicle ID. Also, whatever the vehicle ID we are providing here, we just need to make sure the same we are appearing here as well. Then this one is the odometer, then quantity, then unit. So this will gets automatically fetched because we are using some Excel formulas here in the unit section. Then the total cost, station notes. So this one is the customized cell, and we can use any um, custom notes for just our reference only. And we have a unit price and the distance. So these columns I highlighted with blue, light blue color, that reflects that they are automatically calculated columns, and we don't want to do any data entry over here. We just need to make sure all the white columns here, we just need to add the data here in the white columns regardless of these highlighted blue colors. So they are all automated. Again, we have shipment. So actually this dashboard, the fleet management is this is the phase wise development I did for one of my client earlier. So it has a lot of sheets. We can because it's a continuous data entry that we are doing here, and irrespective of maintaining other sheets. So we are just maintaining every sheet in this workbook to ease our work. So that's why you are seeing, you are watching different sheets. But it's a good idea of keeping multiple sheets so that our dashboard will get analysis, multiple analysis we can do for our fleet management system. So that's why I have used multiple sheets here, and we are maintaining the sheets for shipments. Then this one is our for maintenance, whatever the maintenance we are doing for this one, just like oil and filter, brake inspection. So all these are in one go. Then the other sheet is a labor sheet, which dealing with the work date, employee ID. So this is the information we are entering for the labor. And again, these two columns, which are blue highlighted colors, are automatically calculated using formulas over here. These all are the data entry cells. But maybe if you are looking to customize, or if you require some more sheets or some less sheet, or you have some similar kind of logic, but you want some another template, so maybe you can reach me out. I can help you in that one. And the last one that I'm sharing you is the payment sheet. And here we are just providing the payment information, payment ID, then the customer ID. So in customer ID, this data is taken from the customer sheet that we have created already. So whatever the customers we have in that sheet, they will automatically gets populated over in this drop down, and we can just select the customer ID or customer name maybe. Then we have the amount, then the method of payment, check, EFT, cash, card, etc. The reference. So it's just our column, whatever we can just add here as a reference part. So it's a customized column, and it's only just referring for the payments. So all these sheets are created by myself for the dashboard refresh part. So this is just showcasing of these sheets, how exactly this fleet management system is currently working. So we just need to do the data entry all these sheets. And once we did the data entry part, then this every sheet is gets the data automatically gets refreshed. And the top ones are the fuel spend, then the shipment revenue, payment received. These cards will get refreshed automatically. Then we have the operating system by vehicle summary. Then this table provides us the summary. Then we have the customer balances. So we have the payments and the invoice revenue, then balance owing. So this is the column for balance owing, and every part is automatically gets refreshed as we have developed the formulas over here. Then we have the monthly trend table as well for each of the month, revenue, fuel, and labor. And these are the charts that I've created. The top one is the pie chart showing the fuel spent by vehicle. And here I use the percentages for every vehicle. This one is the legend that shows the different color. For this one, the TRK1 and TRK2. So I have used different colors for every vehicle. And this chart provides us the balance owing by customer. So customer who is owing the balance is gets automatically refreshed. Then we have the monthly revenue versus fuel versus labor. So this chart is the analysis of all the three columns, that is revenue, fuel, and labor. And we are just representing the data. And using monthly wise, trend wise. So these three lines represents the revenue, fuel, and labor. So this is the charts that I've created as a dashboard part, and these all charts are refreshed automatically, and this dashboard as well refreshed automatically once we fill the data in all these sheets. So I hope you like this video. Whatever the work that I have done for fleet management system. Actually, this work I have created for one of my client who was eager to work with me, and he has a lot of requirements. It's just it's just a complex requirements, what I can say. But yeah, uh, I have managed it to provide this dashboard, and he is very happy. So if you are looking for some similar kind of work regarding the template work or the fleet management system. So you can reach me out or over my email address and my phone number as a WhatsApp number. You can text me out over my WhatsApp or my email address, which I will be sharing you in the description part of this video. So you can grab the details and yeah, you can just request me. And once I have your queries, I will definitely reply as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like this video. So and do message me if you have any queries, or if you need certain kind of template, or if you want to build the template from the scratch, you can definitely reach me out. So thanks and have a great day. Take care. Bye.